Shut up. Shut up. I say shut up. Yeah, I kidnap you. So what? What should I do? Huh? I told you. You belong to me. You didn't want to listen to me. So, I had no choice to react like this. Baby, baby, look at me. I will take care of you. Yeah, please, just give me one chance to take care of you. I won't make you regret. Please, be my princess in this dark cave.